So Meta has launched this new app called Threads, and it's a microblogging platform like Twitter. Let's get into the UI and design side of things and see how this app performs UX wise. So here's the app. The icon is very nice, amazing. By the way, people who don't know, that icon is @ right? How we use in email. So as they are making a thread, they are using that as a symbol, which is a good thought process. So if you see the logo is plain and simple. The reason is inspiration taken from existing UI of Instagram, but this icon is black and white while Instagram icons are colorful, right? So I think Thread, they want to keep it text heavy, and that's why they might went on that side. Coming into the UI now, if we go, we see a very simple navigation, which is we have 5 tabs like Instagram and logo on top. So no restriction here, you just get into the app, you see the icon on top, the logo on top, see the content, then you have your navigation. Let's just go with navigation first, then we'll go into the flows and everything. So we have home like Instagram, we have a search bar, then we have a right tweet thread, so I have to stop calling it tweet. Then we have likes and notification, again as heart, where we have multiple tabs, so you can see all whatever happened, then you can see only the replies and the mention. So one thing to notice here is that replies and mention is very different, because replies means whatever they have replied even without mentioning it on my tweet. Mention just means when they have mentioned me. And then you have a specific verified folder, which is nice because now I can then just see the verified folks here clearly. Then we go to profile, and we have a similar Instagram looking profile where I can see all things here and there. I was expecting some more data here, like more analytics and some dashboard like they have on Instagram, but this is also good. One confusion here, like also this has 3 icons I can see. On top you can see an internet icon, then you can see an Instagram icon, and then you can see a hamburger menu. So if we go here, we see the content like this. They are divided by a divider, clean, simple, no confusion, name, and again your name is bold, every single text is very simple. You have your time, and then everything is hidden in a 3-dot menu. But with that, we have these 4 options below that, which is like, reply, repost, and share. Now like is simple as Instagram. This is not double tap to like, so I was thinking that they should have double tap to like on the post, because it will reinforce the same behavior we have on Instagram and make it more cohesive with it. That second is you can obviously reply into it. Here one interesting thing which stand out is that here, instead of giving an option below to attach an image like we have in Twitter, so if I go to Twitter and post something, I'll get these options below the menu, like at the low where you have images and GIF and everything we can attach. They are just giving one option, which is an attachment, not an image but an attachment. And right now obviously I can just attach images or videos, but hopefully in future, because they are using this icon, they would let us attach more things like video, audio, and every different things, right? So this is the same UI. One interesting thing by the way they have did is when you click on the share button, you see that it directly, because it's connected with Instagram, lets you post a story. Post this to your Instagram feed as an image, like which people used to do with Twitter. And by sneaking in, they are also letting you tweet this thing directly. And by the way, when I say tweet, it's not putting a picture, it's putting a link. Let me show you. So when I click, it just comes as a link. So again, they are still trying to get users back to their platform. One interesting thing is that, which I liked, which they have copied to Twitter in a way, is that when you see some tweet, I can reply from this bottom input menu. Like I can write my text and reply. Here, they have done the same thing. But if you see, they have given both options. So I can even comment from here, or I can just go here and write. So make it easy for replying and engaging. Second thing, which is very small effect here, is that you can see who have replied and few photos. Loading animation is amazing. If you see, that's one of my favorite part of this app. And you can see how many likes they have gotten. You can see how many replies they have gotten. One more thing which is very interesting is this line in the side which you see, which is curving. So like a thread curving, like, so they are going very good with the name and branding. So that is that amazing. So this is the UI. some things I was disappointed with, because I wanted to see the numbers here with the likes and everything much cleaner. Like you don't need to write 149 likes, you can just show me 149 likes instead of the front of the icon. But they are differentiating like it Instagram, like, so hopefully in future they'll keep it like Instagram and this will work. Well, this is one more UI pattern they have, which is if you have more than 5-6 replies, they show your profile pictures like this bubble. Coming back, going to the profile, let's go to Tech Believers profile. Right now we can see the person is verified, we see his name, we see Instagram on top, which you have to notice that they are trying to get the users to go back to Instagram and come here, right? So they're keeping connected, and then they have this name. But I still don't understand why they have this threads.net with Tech Believers, right? Why is that needed? Why is that needed username? I'm not sure yet. We'll find out in future. Then you have all the detail here. If you see, they are just showing followers, not following. So I think Thread is doing this, that they are not showing following on purpose, so people follow more people and not just stop themselves at following few people, right? But how do you see this person's following list? You go to their follower list and then you have the tab. Again, we have the threads, then we have their replies. I was expecting to have a liked tab here, like Instagram has, which you can see, like Facebook has that they like activity, and Twitter has. So it would be giving me more information what this person is interacting with. So that's there, but nice UI there. Let's get to the second stage, which is the search bar. Now if you go to search bar, you notice that here you can only search account, nothing else. You can't search content, you can't search photos, you can't search thread, you can only search accounts. So let's go to writing. Again, this is very simple UI. You just write something, you touch the attach icon like an icon, email icon, and upload whatever you want to do. Very simple. Then you go to activity. This is similar to Twitter. Then we have the profile, which is one of my favorite part of this, is this top icon. So you see this net icon, like we don't know what that is going to be. And then I click on it and I see this privacy setting. But then I go to Instagram account, I get to Instagram, and if I click this hamburger menu, I see all this. So what they have done on purpose is they have highlighted privacy menu on top. So you can see privacy here easily. Now to give it a rating, I will give it a 7 out of 10 with the designs and UI and UX. So hopefully this helped. And if you are not on Threads, get there, follow me. The name is very simple, The Real Kalakar. I'll link in the description. And for more content, just subscribe to the YouTube channel.